January 17, 2025, welcome to your weather forecast. 529 Mountain, 729 Eastern, blowing, drifting snow, blizzard warnings for southern Manitoba. Here was yesterday, January 16. Look at that, plus 10 at 8 a.m. yesterday. Then when that vicious cold front came in at 5 p.m., went down to -1, and temperatures kept free falling, and now it's -10. So 20-degree difference in, 24 hours. And look at that, very cold Arctic. Not just that, the winds last night too. Let's go back from last night. The winds last night got to ramping around 80 to 100 km/h winds in some areas. There was wind warnings for at a time, and also blowing, drifting snow. And now Manitoba will see blizzard-like conditions this morning. So all of these areas in the red, blizzard warnings for this morning. It will be hectic, and also the winds will be close to 100 km/h, so low visibility, blowing snow, drifting snow. That's why Environment Canada issued blizzard warnings to all these areas. Let's go to radar. Look at that heavy snow coming into the mix with those strong winds. You look at that, it is knocking on the door in Manitoba right now. It is just a vicious cold front for Western Canada, and we got cold warnings in the north, and you're going to feel it. Look at that, -47 in the north, but you're going to feel it in southern Alberta and southern Manitoba this weekend, and spreading further east. You'll feel it next week. Eastern Canada. And today, 6 degrees in Vancouver, 5 degrees. Nothing. Southern Alberta, temperatures are still free falling, and then the winds will die down. Then the winds will pick up back up to 55 km/h because there's a second shot of cold air coming through. And overnight and tomorrow morning will be -21. Here's today, and here's tomorrow. Look at that. And as we get closer to night, look at that, Edmonton, ooh, very dangerously cold, all in the white. Edmonton, Medicine Hat, -31. Calgary, -24, feeling like -30s. Then we look into Sunday and next week, some areas will feel like -40s, including the city of Winnipeg. And up north will feel like close to -50 as you get further north. Always keep on your pets. What is this cold? -26 tomorrow, -25 on Sunday with low of -32 for Saskatoon. And we got blizzard warnings, so around 8 a.m. we can't see. It is less, it's not a lot of snow, but trust me, with those winds picking up and heavy snow, a burst of heavy snow with that vicious cold front, you're going to see some heavy snow at 8 a.m. with strong winds. Yeah, the winds are going to be the problem. Look at that for 9 a.m. and blowing, drifting snow. Some areas will see 70 to 90 to 100 km/h winds. It is the cold front spreading. And -18 on tomorrow for Saturday, -24 on Sunday. And look at that, low of -33 for Thunder Bay. Now we go to east. Temperatures will drop there too. Same vicious polar vortex will start creeping in. And look at that for Ottawa, 12 p.m., -20 on Monday. Very cold for southern Ontario and southern Quebec. -15, high of -19. Not much. -27 feels like -30. For Montreal as well, +1. Cold front moving in. High -18. Low -25. -19 on Tuesday. Very dangerous. Always keep on your pets when you're walking them. And -5, +1. Enjoy your weekend. Quebec City. Cold. Halifax, -10. Tomorrow, +2. +6 with heavy rain. And then the cold air will spread. -9 on Tuesday. Overcast with some flurries, and this afternoon 40% chance, and -2 tomorrow. In St. John's, Charlottetown, PEI, -7 today, 0 tomorrow, +4 on Sunday. Yellowknife, cold Arctic air, blast. Pretty normal for this time of year. Banff, Alberta, really cold as well. And look at that, low